Say synchronization. Synchronization also one of the enhancing method. Say synchronization. See, it is general term, global term. You can find synchronization in Java, Oracle, and .NET also. What is the general meaning of synchronization? It is a process of matching the speeds of two things. General meaning. It is a process of matching the speeds of two things. See, first chapter index. What is synchronization? What is synchronization? Next, why synchronization? Next, when synchronization is required. It is not mandatory for every test, only for some tests. When synchronization is required. Next, practical topic, how to synchronize. How to synchronize. Say you can use insert, you can use wait statement, synchronization point, or increasing tool default time, etc. See, one of the possibility, insert wait statement. Next, insert synchronization point. Next, increase tool default time. Tool default time. Next, one more possibility also there. That is not regular synchronization method. For some scenarios, you can use that. Using exist property. First three only regular methods. Next, select an appropriate method. First, what is synchronization? See, general meaning is a process of matching the speeds of two things. UFT point of view, what is synchronization? See here two things. One is UFT, another is application under test. UFT, next application under test, AUT. Actually, the synchronization is part of error handling, but nowadays it is independent topic, but part of error handling. See, UFT point of view, what is synchronization? It is a process of matching the speeds of UFT and AUT in order to get proper execution and result. When we get synchronization problem during test execution, see, it is a process of matching the speeds of UFT tool and application under test in order to get proper execution and result. Next, why synchronization? Synchronization, okay. Why synchronization? During test execution, UFT gives instructions one by one. UFT reads statements or steps and gives instructions one by one with same speed. No issues with UFT tool. But application takes less time for some statements execution and more time for some statements execution. Here we can't blame the application also. Why? Some operations may take more time. For example, click on a link, click link, application can respond quickly. Enter a value into edit box, application can respond quickly. Suppose downloading process, uploading process, they may take more time. See, first what is synchronization, next why synchronization. See, during test execution, UFT gives instructions one by one with same speed. But application takes AUT, takes less time for some statements execution or some instructions execution, some statements, or you can say some steps execution. And more time for some steps execution. See, in order to keep them in sync, synchronization is required. In order to keep them in sync, then synchronization is required. Okay. Next, synchronization is required. When it is required exactly? Say UFT tool default synchronization time is 20 seconds. UFT can wait maximum 20 seconds for every statement. If any statement or step takes more than 20 seconds for execution, their synchronization is required. Suppose in our test, first statement taking 7 seconds. After 7 seconds, it will go to next statement immediately. Second statement 1 second. After 1 second, it will go to next statement immediately. Suppose third statement requires 18 seconds. UFT can wait 18 seconds. After 18 seconds, it will go to next statement. Suppose fourth statement means next statement requires 24 seconds. UFT can wait maximum 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, it will show error. In order to avoid the errors, we need to provide synchronization. When synchronization is required, see UFT tool default synchronization time is 20 seconds. If any step or statement takes more than 20 seconds, for execution, then synchronization is required. Next, how to synchronize UFT and AUT, that is practical concept. See, how to synchronize UFT and AUT. Okay. Now I think you are familiar with three concepts. What is synchronization? Why synchronization? When synchronization is required. Tell me, what is synchronization? First general meaning, then UFT point of view definition. What is synchronization?
It is the process of matching the speed of two things.
Okay. Next, UFT tool point of view, what is synchronization? Same, it is a process of matching the speeds of UFT and AUT,
yes.
In order to get proper execution and result. Okay. Next, why synchronization?
Because UFT tool default synchronization.
No, that is when. Why synchronization?
If any steps take more than the default value, then we need synchronization. Then UFT.
During test execution, UFT gives instructions one by one with same speed, but application takes less time for some steps execution and more time for some steps execution. In order to keep them in sync, synchronization is required. Okay. Next, synchronization is required. When it is required exactly? UFT tool default synchronization time 20 seconds. UFT can wait maximum 20 seconds for every statement execution. If any step or statement takes more than 20 seconds for execution, their synchronization is required. Okay. Next, how to synchronize? Tell me. Three possibilities we discussed. How to synchronize?
Inserting a wait statement.
Or
insert a synchronization point. Increase tool default time.
Good. These three are regular methods. Next, one more thing also there, using exist property also we can synchronize, but it is not regular method. I will show. See, first wait statement. I'm taking the new test. See, intentionally I'm reducing the tool default time in order to explain this concept. Actually, in this sample application, maximum operations below 10 seconds only. Intentionally, I'm going to reduce the tool default time in order to explain this concept. See, run. Suppose this is the default time. Generate. enter agent name, enter fast food, click OK. Next, insert order. Next, delete order. Stop. See, in this navigation, all statements are taken below synchronization time only except this insert order process. Observe. Run the script. See, this insert order process taking more than synchronization time. That time the delete order button was in disabled state, but immediately EFT is providing instruction, click delete order button. That time button was in disabled state. It is showing error. Observe the problem. See once again. See all statements taking below synchronized time except this insert order process. See, it is showing error. Delete order button is disabled state. How to insert wait statement? Syntax. Wait within parenthesis time in seconds or wait just time in seconds without parenthesis. For example, wait 10 seconds. Observe where we need to insert synchronization point in this test. Where? Find the location where we need to insert synchronization point. Where we insert wait statement. Hello?
Yes, in insert order.
After insert order, click. Here insert wait statement. Wait, suppose 10 seconds. Run the script. See, synchronization problem rectified. See. What is the problem? Dialog. You add this statement also. Window of flight reservation dot close. Run the script once again. Say synchronization problem rectified, but one small drawback is there in wait statement. Observe the drawback. Observe the drawback. Suppose wait 17 seconds. Run the script. See, it is conditional synchronization. Conditional synchronization. See, problem rectified, test executed. Identify the small drawback of wait statement. What is the drawback of wait statement? It waits maximum time even though operation is completed. It waits maximum time, isn't it? See, it is conditional synchronization. Conditional synchronization waits maximum time even though operation is completed. It waits maximum time. See, observe. After when synchronization, types of synchronization. Types of synchronization. We have two types of synchronization. One is conditional. Conditional synchronization. Next, unconditional synchronization. Unconditional. Find the problem. Small drawback of wait statement. What is the small drawback of wait statement?
It waits until the maximum time.
Yes. Next, insert synchronization point. Observe. First, remove this one. Remove wait statement. Next, run the script. Synchronization problem. Okay. Problem. Stop. Just a minute. See, if you want to insert synchronization point, two things important. Wait statement, you can blindly insert wait statement. But if you want to insert synchronization point, two things important. First one, identify the object and property on which we need to insert synchronization point. See, to insert synchronization point, identify the object and property on which we need to insert synchronization point. See where we are getting the problem. On delete order button click. Delete order button click. See, up to insert order it is executing, but insert order process taking more than synchronization time, then immediately UFT providing delete order button click operation. That time delete order button in disabled state. Here object is delete order button. There we are getting the problem. Next, identify the property. Property is enabled property. See, it is in disabled state. It has to wait up to get enabled. Got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, first identify the object in object and property. See, in this scenario example, delete order button. Delete order button is object. Next, enabled property. Enabled true means enabled. Enabled false means disabled. Syntax, how to insert. Object hierarchy or object dot wait property. It is method. In methods chapter we didn't discuss this method. It is time to discuss wait property. Next, property name comma value. Next, time in milliseconds. 1000 1000 milliseconds equal to 1 second. Next, one more thing, time is optional. It is unconditional synchronization. Here time optional, but try to provide that time, otherwise indefinite time. Suppose wait for your friend, indefinite. Wait for your friend for half an hour means up to half an hour you wait. After half an hour you can leave. See, mention the time. Anyhow, time is optional. It is unconditional synchronization. It won't wait maximum time for any operation. It waits required time only. Optional. Say it waits required time only. Suppose you provided 40 seconds, but it takes 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, it will go to next statement immediately. See example. See, place mouse pointer in place cursor in desired location. You take object hierarchy. See, delete order button object hierarchy. Dot wait property of property name enabled property value. What is the value? True or false? Enabled true means enabled false means disabled. It has to wait update order button get enabled na. What is the value? True or false?
True.
True.
Enable true.
Yes, true. Next, 30,000 milliseconds means 30 seconds. It won't wait maximum time. Run the script. Over. See, we typed this statement, otherwise tool navigation also there. Tool navigation also there. For inserting synchronization point, first step, place cursor in desired location. Place cursor in desired location. Next, select record mode. Select record mode. Next, design menu. Synchronization. Synchronization point. Next, show the object. Next, select property. Next, enter value, property value. Enter property value. Next, set time in milliseconds. Okay. Observe. First, remove this statement. Place cursor in desired location. See design menu. Synchronization point in disabled state na. First we have to select record mode. Select record. Just a minute. Application also required. See, place cursor in desired location. Record, design, synchronization point. Take hand icon and show the object. Click OK. Select property name. Enabled. Enter property value true. Next, set timeout. Suppose I want 30 seconds. 30,000 milliseconds. Okay. Stop recording. Observe. Same statement generated na?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me the navigation once again. How to insert synchronization point using tool navigation. Earlier we typed the command. We typed the statement. This time using tool navigation.
First keep in record mode.
Record mode.
And then synchronization.
Design menu. synchronization point, show the object, click OK,
Okay.
select
Enter.
property name, enabled, enter property value, true, set timeout. Suppose I want 30 seconds, 30,000 milliseconds. Okay, stop recording. See, same statement generated. Earlier we typed that statement. This time we generated using tool navigation. Put base state and run the script. Executing. Over. Okay, next another method, increasing tool default time. See, remove, run the script. Now synchronization problem as it is. See problem. Okay. Next, increase tool default time. How to increase? File menu, settings, run. Here, object synchronization timeout. Suppose I want 30 seconds. Apply. OK. See, observe. Increase tool default time. Increase tool default time. Navigation. File menu. Settings. Run. Next. Select object synchronize. Just a minute. Object synchronization timeout. See, file, settings, run, select object synchronization timeout. Next, change the value. Okay. Say first two methods, wait statement synchronization point, applicable on statement level. Next, this one, increasing tool default time, test level. If we increase tool default time, that can be applied for all statements in the test. Find the difference between first two methods and third method.
Yes.
See.
Yes, in the third method, it will change for every test.
All, not every test.
Every statement.
Every statement. See, if we increase tool default time, that settings applicable for all steps or statements in the test. Suppose I increase it to 30 seconds, run the script. Now no synchronization problem. Okay. Now save this test. This is GUI test 2. Take new test. What is the new test default synchronization time? 30 seconds or 20 seconds? This new test synchronization time,
30
default time, 30 or 20? Earlier we changed it to 30.
20 seconds.
20 only. 20 only. See, again 20. Suppose open the previous test, GUI test 2. What is the default? What is the synchronization time for this test?
Seconds.
30 seconds.
By default is 20. I think we made to 30. Yes, 30 seconds.
30 seconds. We saved this setting. Okay. Next, I will show one more example. Concentrate. This time, object is button property enabled. Observe. Login functionality. Enter agent name. Enter password. Click OK. Next, activate the flight reservation window. Next, open an order. Stop. See, intentionally I am going to reduce the time in order to explain this synchronization problem. Now try to run the script. In this navigation, all operations take below synchronization time only, except that launching process. Observe, run the script. See, launching. Say, entering agent name, entering password, click OK button. Take below synchronization time only, but launching this flight reservation window taking more time. Observe once again. Run the script. See. Here first insert wait statement, where after OK click, wait 7 seconds. Example. Run the script. Now executing. See, open order also executed. Next, insert synchronization point instead of wait statement. Insert synchronization point. For inserting synchronization point, we need to identify the object and property. Identify the object and property in this scenario. Identify the object and property.
Reservation window.
Flight reservation window is object. Good. Next, property. See, after OK click, immediately it is providing window flight reservation dot activate. That time that flight reservation window not visible. It has to wait up to flight reservation window get visible. Here property is visible. Visible true means visible. Visible false means invisible. See. Place mouse pointer. Record mode. Design. Synchronization point. Show the flight reservation window. Click OK. Select property name. Property name visible. Enter property value true. Suppose time I want 10 seconds only. Okay. Stop recording. Observe. Statement. Next, put base state, run the script, executing. Next, remove this synchronization point, put base state and run the script. See problem. Now third method, increase tool default time. How to increase? Tell me the navigation.
Record, keep it in record.
See, increasing tool default time.
Our tool default time file.
File.
Settings.
Settings.
And go to
Run. Here increase. Suppose I want 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Apply. Okay. Next, put base state, run the script. Executing. Okay na?
Okay.
Next, one more thing. Using exist property also we can synchronize, but it is not for all scenarios, only some scenarios. See, in this scenario we can use exist property. How? Suppose first as it is. 1 second. Run the script. It will show synchronization problem. See problem. Now this time using exist property. Just a minute. Exist property for synchronization. See, if so and so window exists, dot exist of 10 seconds. Here also time optional. It won't take maximum time. It takes required time only. Then see and if. What we are telling, if so and so window, if flight reservation window exists within 10 seconds, if flight reservation window exists within 10 seconds, then execute these statements. Button click, checkbox check, etc. statements. Run the script. Executing. Now we used exist property for synchronization. Next, observe in previous example, can we use exist property? In previous example, button is object is button, property is enabled. Can we use that exist property for that scenario?
Yes.
No. How to? How exist property checks enabled property value? It checks object existence only, visibility only.
Yes.
It is not for all properties, only for checking the object existence. See, exist property, that's why I told it is not regular method for synchronization, only for some scenarios. It checks object existence only. It won't check enabled property or other properties. Getting?
Yes, yes, sir.
In this scenario, we can use exist property for synchronization, but for previous example, we can't use. Why? It checks object existence only, not enabled property. Okay. Next, this exist property not only for synchronization, we can also use exist property for general error handling. How? I will show that example. General error handling. Say exist property for error handling. Now no synchronization. Suppose no synchronization problem. 20 seconds. Only login functionality. Run the script. Executing. Okay. Next, observe. Once again run the script. Problem happened. Identify the problem. See two instances of application. Suppose, observe once again. First scenario, no login dialog box exists on desktop. Then it will execute. Executed. Next, second scenario, login dialog box already exists on desktop. This test will launch one more login dialog. Then two instances of application. UFT will confuse. Run the script. One more login. Got the problem?
Yes, yes.
In this scenario, how to handle? Using exist property. Here I am going to write negative condition. Negative condition. If not, using not operator, we can write negative condition. If not so and so dialog dot dialog of login dot exist. Here enter small amount of time. 2 or 3 seconds enough for checking the object existence. If so and so dialog not exists, then launch the dialog box. If not exists, launch. If exists, don't launch. Bypass the condition. It is negative condition, one-way condition. If not exists, then launch and continue login operation. If exists, don't launch, bypass the condition and continue login operation. Understand this usage?
So we don't have to write if not, then launch, but we don't have to write if there is, then you just continue.
Here no otherwise na.
Okay.
By default it will continue.
Okay, okay, got it.
That is default. Say if not exist, launch means what is the meaning? If exists, don't launch. Just continue.
Okay.
Say observe. That is default. Say now no login dialog exists on desktop. First it checks the existence, then it will launch. If not exist, it will launch and continue login. Run the script, checking the existence, launching and login. Next, another scenario. If login dialog already exists on desktop, it won't launch again. It will continue login. Run the script. Okay, na? Any confusion?
I understood. If not,
Hmm.
then login, then then
Continue
run.
log. If not exists,
Then-
launch the login dialog box
Uh-huh.
and continue login operation.
Yeah.
Opposite, no, here no else part, no otherwise, means if exists, bypass
Then
the
run.
condition.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. But there is no else part. But by default is like
Yes,
if
by default,
not.
say,
Okay.
if
Okay.
there is no else part, what is the opposite? If not exist,
Yeah, okay.
do something, means if exist, don't do, means
Okay.
bypass the condition.
Okay. Okay.
After bypassing condition, then remaining statements login operation only.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Got it. By default, that's okay.
By
Else part.
default. Okay.
Okay.
Next, select an appropriate method. Say we discussed 3 regular methods for synchronization. One is wait statement, next synchronization point, third one is increase tool default time. Next, fourth one, exist property, that is not a regular synchronization method. So eliminate that exist property. Remaining 3 regular methods: inserting wait statement, inserting synchronization point, increasing tool default time. Then which one is the more appropriate? Say you try to use wait statement. It is a VB script statement. So many advantages. See, advantages of wait statement. One small drawback is there in wait statement. Even though one drawback is there, it is more useful. First advantage, it won't corrupt. It won't corrupt. Second advantage, no object reference required. Suppose if you want to insert synchronization point, you need to identify the object and property. Here no object reference is required. No object reference is required. Next, say if you want to observe the test execution process, then wait statement is the only option. Okay, you identify this one. No object reference is required. If you want to insert synchronization point, object required. Suppose we are fetching data from a database and comparing with the Excel file data. There no test object. So in that scenario, synchronization point is helpless. Getting this point? Suppose
Yes,
we are fetching data from a database and comparing with the Excel file data. That operation is taking more than synchronization time. If you want to insert synchronization point in this scenario, synchronization point helpless na? Why? Here no object. See, database is not test object, Excel is not test object. Getting?
Got it.
Okay. But for wait statement, no object reference is required. You can insert blindly. Next, one more advantage. In order to observe the test execution process, then wait statement is the only solution. Observe. I will show one example. See open order functionality. Suppose I want to open 1 to 10 orders for I equal to 1 to 10. Pass I as parameter. Suppose I want to observe the test execution process. I want to observe the test data. Suppose ours is I configured system executing quickly. Observe quickly executing. You can't observe the test execution process now. See, quickly executing, isn't it?
Yes.
I want to observe the test execution process. Here you insert the wait statement, then you can observe. Suppose wait 2 seconds for every iteration, put base state and run the script. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, in this scenario, wait statement is the only solution. Why? Suppose if you insert synchronization point, helpless. Why? Here no required time. Here time not required for opening an order. So synchronization point helpless. Suppose if you increase tool default time, that is also helpless. Why? Here no required time. Test is executing properly, but we want to observe the test execution. See, in this scenario, wait statement is the only solution. See, in order to observe the test execution process, then wait statement is the only solution. Next, see, in order to capture screenshot during execution, wait statement is useful. Not mandatory for every scenario. For some time, for sometimes it is required. See, in order to capture screenshots during execution, then wait statement is useful. Getting this problem? Understand this fourth one?
Yes, yes.
Say using capture bitmap. Using capture bitmap method, we can capture screenshot now. Suppose we are executing one web page. Ours is a high configured system executing quickly. During execution, we have to capture one web page. That time it may not capture. May capture, may not capture. If you insert wait statement, then it can capture. Next, one more thing. It can be used internally as well as externally. Did you understand this concept, internally and externally? What is internal use and what is external use? Internal use means using from this tool editor, using wait statement from UFT tool editor. External use means using accessing wait statement from external library files. In external library files also we can use wait statement. No object reference required, no tool support required, no tool feature support required. In external library, function library also you can insert wait statement. VB script engine can execute wait statement. No object reference. Got the last one?
Yes.
What is internal use and what is external use?
Internal use is from the editor window and external use from the library file.
External library file. See, wait can be executed in tool editor and from external library also. It is VB script feature, isn't it?
Yes.
See, now tell me advantage of wait statement. Advantage of wait statement.
It won't corrupt. No object reference is required in order to observe the text execution process. Then wait statement.
Then wait statement is the only solution. No other methods.
Yeah.
Next, in order to capture screenshot during execution, then wait statement is useful. Next, last one. It can be used internally as well as externally.
Externally, yes.
Okay. See, next I will show one typical scenario, real-time scenario. Concentrate. I'm taking new test. Record. Open an order. Suppose first order. See. Change the tickets value. Suppose 5 to 7. Update order. Okay. Capture that update done message and compare. Capture update done message and compare. See, design, step generator, take hand icon, show the object. Just a minute. Get arrow property of text property, return value, message. Okay. Stop. See, by checking that message we can confirm update process. If message equal to messages sensitive, tools, object spy, take hand icon, show the object, next any meaningful a message. Suppose a result equal to result just variable, result equal to order updated passed, else a result equal to order not updated failed. MSG box result. This statement unnecessary statement. Suppose tickets this time 4. Observe, put base state, run the script. See, it is showing order not updated. But order updated, manually you can observe. Update done, order updated. But it is showing order not updated. Why? Identify the problem.
Yes.
See, order manually you can observe. Update done.
Yeah.
But it is
Yes.
showing order not updated. Here synchronization problem. Okay.
Yes.
Synchronization problem okay. Actually, it is not synchronization problem. Observe. What is the default synchronization time? Just a minute. 20 seconds there na? 20
Yes.
seconds. 20 seconds na? But this operation
Yes.
is taking only below 10 seconds. Observe. Just wait 9 seconds. Then it will execute. Observe. Suppose this time tickets 3. Put base state and run the script. Now executed. Now it is showing correct output now, order updated. To try to identify the problem.
Yes. Yes.
Actually in this scenario no synchronization problem. Why? Default synchronization time 20 seconds there. But this operation is taking below 10 seconds only. See, this update done process taking below 10 seconds only. For example 9 seconds. But tool default time is 20 seconds. Then why synchronization problem? Observe. Suppose I will increase more setting, run. Here 90 seconds. Apply. Okay. Put base state. Run the script. See, order not updated. 90 seconds not sufficient. Earlier we used 9 seconds only. This time 90 seconds. Why it is not why it is showing a synchronization problem? Identify. Actually, here synchronization point increasing tool default time helpless. Actually here no synchronization. That update done process taking 9 seconds only, below 10 seconds. But default time 20 seconds, more than 20 seconds are there. But why synchronization problem? See, observe the statement. This is a regular statement or irregular statement? It is irregular statement, non-recordable statement. See, synchronization is only UFT tool default synchronization time only applicable for recordable statements. It is a non-recordable statement. So you need to provide synchronization. See, this synchronization time helpless for not recordable statements. Run the script. Just a minute. It will execute. Okay na? Passed na?
Yes, pass.
See, here try to identify the problem. Here what is the problem? Here actually no synchronization. See, synchronization time. UFT tool default synchronization time is only for recordable statements or steps. It can't be used for non-recordable. Getting the point? On typical scenario is there na?
Yes.
Yes. Default synchronization time only for recordable steps, not for non-recordable steps. Suppose if any non-recordable step taking 7 seconds, default time 20 seconds, but still synchronization problem, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Here one of the advantage of wait statement here. What is that advantage of wait statement? Here we use the wait statement only na. Is the only solution for non-recordable steps. Wait statement is the only solution for non-recordable steps. See, in this scenario, increasing tool default time helpless, synchronization point also helpless. Nearly 6 advantages we discussed for wait statement. See, this is about synchronization. Just tell me, we have 2 types of synchronization. What are the 2 types? We have 2 types of... Huh?
Wait statement.
That is ways of synchronization. How to synchronize? I am asking, we have 2 types of synchronization. One is conditional synchronization. Another is unconditional synchronization.
Unconditional.
How to achieve conditional synchronization? By inserting wait statement, we can achieve conditional synchronization. Next, unconditional synchronization. using synchronization point or increasing tool default time, we can achieve unconditional synchronization. Okay na? See, next I will start one chapter. We will continue tomorrow. Next chapter. Any queries in synchronization? Hello? Any queries?
No, sir. No
Okay,
queries.
cool. Okay, cool. See, next chapter, I will start the chapter. Tomorrow we will continue. Insert checkpoints. Checkpoints, single word. Insert checkpoints. It is EFT tool feature. EFT tool feature. We have 9 plus 3 checkpoints, total 12. Why I am writing 9 plus 3? 9 checkpoints are direct checkpoints, 3 checkpoints, hidden checkpoints. How to insert hidden checkpoints, that I will explain in practical chapter. See, first chapter index. What is checkpoint? Next, types of checkpoints. Every checkpoint is unique. For example, standard checkpoint purpose is different, page checkpoint is different, database checkpoint is different. See, types of checkpoints. See, first one, standard. See, tomorrow I will explain definitions and how to insert practical. Standard checkpoint. Next, text checkpoint. Next, text area checkpoint. Next, bitmap checkpoint. Next, database checkpoint. Accessibility checkpoint. Next, XML checkpoint. See, in XML area we have 2 checkpoints. First one, XML checkpoint from a resource. Next, XML checkpoint from file. XML checkpoint from resource. Next, XML checkpoint from application. Next, file content checkpoint. See, this file content checkpoint added in UFT is not available in QTP last version. File content checkpoint. Next, page checkpoint. Next, image checkpoint. Next, table checkpoint, web table checkpoint. Next, drawbacks of checkpoints. See, this is chapter index. First, what is checkpoint? Have any idea what is checkpoint?
It is a place where you can see if put a checkpoint and you see that process is
Okay.
done or not.
See,
Something.
it is a verification point. It is a verification point. Takes expected result from the user. User means tester. It is a verification point. Takes expected result from the user and compares with the actual results during the execution, then provides tester result. See, in this definition I used three results: the expected result, the actual result, tester result. Expected result from the user, actual results during execution, tester result. UFT provides tester result after comparing expected with the actual. See, this is generic definition, but every checkpoint is unique. Standard checkpoint purpose is different, bitmap is different, database is different. See, it is a verification point. Takes expected result from the user and compares with actual results during test execution and provides tester result. Tell me, what is checkpoint?
It is a verification point that takes the. It is a verification point that takes the expected result
from the user
and compares with the actual result.
Actual results and provides tester result.
And provide test results.
See here, three results. Observe. Expected result. Who produces expected result? User, or you can say tester. Next, actual result. See, actual results during execution. Test execution. Next, tester result. See, UFT provides tester result after comparing expected with actual. Say here types of checkpoints from 3 to 12 checkpoints. 3 to 12 checkpoints. Page checkpoint, image checkpoint, table checkpoint, or hidden checkpoints. direct option not available. We can't insert them directly. Then how to insert hidden checkpoints? Using standard checkpoint, we can insert hidden checkpoints. Using standard checkpoint, we can insert hidden checkpoints. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain all 12 checkpoints definitions and how to insert practical. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow same time.
If you